The celestial messages convey that an unexpected influx of abundance is imminent, showering you with blessings by the month's end. The universe is orchestrating remarkable transformations in your life, ushering in waves of positivity to facilitate your blessings. Prepare for a splendid metamorphosis as your life takes on a beautiful new trajectory. Throughout this journey, remain grounded in humility and kindness, observing others' actions while steadfastly maintaining your own energy. Keep your mind open and your spirit unwavering, trusting in your innate ability to navigate towards honesty and fulfillment. Type 1111 to affirm. Embrace the forthcoming season of growth with anticipation, assured that your prayers will be answered and your heart's desires fulfilled. Exercise patience as the universe rearranges its cosmic elements to align with your aspirations. A new chapter dawns, brimming with opportunities to nourish your soul and attract prosperity. Affirm your affirmation with an Amen, claiming the positive vibrations that surround you. Type yes to claim. Should the energy feel discordant or inauthentic, gracefully disengage and honor your intuition's guidance. Resist the urge to force your way through obstacles, instead flowing harmoniously along your journey's path. Release attachment to the past and focus on cultivating peace within your soul. Direct your energy towards endeavors that resonate with your authentic self, for therein lies the key to your fulfillment. Type I love Jesus. Recognize the profound beauty of a wise soul, forged through a life rich with experiences and lessons learned. These souls exude simplicity, yet possess a depth that resonates with all who encounter them. Allow their wisdom to illuminate your path, drawing inspiration from their profound connection to the essence of humanity. Share this message to 5 friends. These souls may appear burdened by the world's troubles, yet they possess an extraordinary capacity to transmute pain into positivity. Don't anticipate directives from them. Instead, gaze into their eyes to uncover depths you never imagined. When you sense inner tranquility, recognize the profound influence of encountering a wise soul from realms unknown. Trust that the cosmic alignment favors you, and your moment is imminent. Exercise patience and remain steadfast on your chosen path. Each day, you're progressing, inching closer to your best self. Every thought, word, and action carries weight, shaping the reality you're building. Embrace self-love now, for it's the cornerstone of the transformation unfolding within you. As you align with this inner love, your external reality evolves to reflect it, resonating with energy, frequency, and vibration. Focus unwaveringly on your dreams, shutting out distractions, and watch as miracles manifest. Every twist and turn in your life serves a purpose, nudging you toward expansion. Yes, transformation can be painful as old beliefs dissolve, making way for the emergence of a truer self. Though uncertain, you stand tall amidst the ashes of the past, feeling a newfound love for yourself. Profound and unadulterated. Life takes on new meaning as you embody your purpose, embracing the complexity of the journey with simplicity. In this journey of self-discovery, breakdowns pave the way for breakthroughs, leading to a monumental upgrade in your reality. Release the old with grace, making space for the new. Be guided by inner stillness, open to the universe's gentle nudges toward growth. Your authenticity may challenge norms, but it also sparks transformation. Embrace your uniqueness, even if it means standing apart from the crowd. Your truth, spoken boldly, empowers others to do the same, fostering a collective shift toward authenticity. Type I need money. As a black sheep, your path may be solitary, but it's also luminous. Embrace the solitude, for it's where your true essence flourishes. Resist the urge to conform, for your authenticity is a beacon of light in a world veiled by illusions. Type Amen. Embrace your role as a catalyst for change, inspiring others to embrace their true selves. Though the journey may be solitary at times, remember that your unique perspective is a gift, igniting transformation on a collective level. Type 555. So, stand tall, speak your truth, and embrace the beauty of your authenticity. In doing so, you pave the way for a brighter, more authentic world, where each soul is free to shine in its uniqueness. Please donate us $100 to support us. Being different makes a difference. Do you find yourself with only a few close friends? There's often a reason for that. The universe sometimes grants those with the greatest purpose a period of disconnect from others. This time alone teaches self-reliance and independent thinking. But fret not. Genuine connections with like-minded individuals are on the horizon, as long as you allow others to see your true self. Type I love God. Pretending to be someone else only attracts those who aren't meant for you. To foster real and lasting friendships, authenticity is key. When you finally feel safe, exhaustion may set in, and that's okay. Your body recognizes the shift from survival mode. Standing firm on decisions like cutting ties can bring grief, but it's often necessary for your well-being. Some may hurt you repeatedly, yet you still see their good side. It's crucial to recognize when you're investing in people who don't reciprocate. Type 1212. Setting boundaries is vital. If someone talks down to you, throws jabs, or takes advantage, it's time to assert yourself. Actions speak volumes, and you deserve the same love you freely give. Recognize when someone drains your happiness and joy, and realize that you've always been enough. Type 44444. Sending lengthy explanations about your feelings may not change anything if the other person doesn't care. It's essential to protect your energy and invest it in activities and people who bring you joy. Some individuals will never appreciate your worth, but that shouldn't dim your light. Embrace your uniqueness, cherish genuine connections, and let go of those who don't deserve your love and energy. Type, I am ready to shine. Understanding how they hurt you can be difficult, as it might mean acknowledging their wrongs, something they detest more than valuing your friendship. It's frustrating dealing with people who only see things from their perspective and refuse to empathize with others. Type 11111. Before engaging in arguments, consider if the person is mentally mature enough to grasp different perspectives. If not, it's futile to try and explain. Let people judge, misunderstand, or gossip about you. Their opinions don't determine your worth or pay your bills. Stay kind and committed to love, never doubting your value. Keep shining, regardless of any negativity directed your way. Type yes. Don't let fear of judgment dictate your life. Be true to yourself, unapologetically. Recognize that in life, everyone plays a role. Some test, use, love, or teach you. Cherish those who bring out the best in you, as they are the ones who truly matter. Life is rife with challenges, but nothing can permanently thwart your progress. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who remind you of your worth and believe in your potential. Your past behaviors, though once helpful, may now hinder your growth. Adapt and evolve to overcome new obstacles. Avoid toxic individuals who manipulate, refuse to apologize, or play the victim. Type Jesus, please give me wealth. Not everyone in your circle is a true friend. Some may be envious or only interested in your life out of curiosity. Stay vigilant and value genuine connections over superficial ones. As you mature, you'll realize that jealousy often stems from admiration. Hold your head high and continue to thrive, regardless of others' opinions or actions. Your journey is yours alone, so prioritize your well-being and surround yourself with those who uplift and support you. In matters of well-being, it's vital to recognize that not everyone has your best interests at heart. Some individuals may exploit moments from your life for comparison or discussion elsewhere. Keeping your circle small and being cautious about what you share is key. Type yes to affirm. As you mature, you'll realize the importance of being selective in both your speech and your company. Life's experiences, including disappointments, shape our understanding of the world. Unfortunately, not all friends will rejoice in your success. Jealousy can cloud their judgment. Success often follows setbacks, and falling teaches us resilience and reveals our true capabilities. Embrace your uniqueness and let those who can't handle your magic fade away. You possess a remarkable soul. Don't regret being caring or generous. To find true happiness, learn when to let go, set boundaries, and choose partners who support your growth. Rumors and gossip may lead to unfair judgments, so seek the full story before passing conclusions. Please give us $50 to get more blessings of Jesus. Subscribing to our channel or donating financially can support our goals, and your ongoing viewership is deeply appreciated. Type Amen to affirm your support.